Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Sniffly Nita over here. My nose keeps running and my eyes keep watering, but I think it's the sinuses. But welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Nita and I am a New York based influencer. Today I'm gonna be doing an updated hair tutorial with my T3 wand. I always get asked what I've been using. So I've been using the T3. In terms of the settings, I put it on number 2. I think there's 5 options. 1 isn't enough heat for my hair. 2 is like the sweet spot. 2 and 3 I can kind of go in between with. 4 and 5, my hair smells like it was cooked in the oven. So I definitely don't go past 3 and I usually just stick to 2. I wanted to answer that because I get that question. And let me jump in and share some products real quick before we do this little curls tutorial. I have very fine, thin, and very dry hair, almost like dry and brittle. Sometimes can be really frizzy. And so I wanted to share the products that I've been using. Kerastase hair shampoo and conditioner. Both of these I've been using for 6+ months. You've probably heard me talk about it. I've probably even talked about it in a previous hair video, but it's the Nutritive Bane Satin. This is such a great shampoo and mask if you have dry hair. It even says on here it's for dry hair. It works so well. I usually change up my shampoo and conditioner after 3 months, so I don't want my hair to like be immune to it, like get used to it. But this, I still haven't even changed it. It's so good, you guys. So if you have dry hair, frizzy hair, like very brittle, I swear this makes it so soft and amazing. This is the, I lost the lid to this. I keep losing lids to things, but this is my heat protectant I've been using from Kerastase. I will link everything down below. Also from I've been using tons of Kerastase, but the VIP volume powder, I'll show you guys how I use this at the end of the tutorial. I have Living Proof Dry Volume Blast. This is their dry shampoo. I will get their dry volume blast in a second, but I do love their dry shampoo. I actually just washed my hair, so I'm not gonna put too much of the dry shampoo, but the dry volume blast, so good if you have thin, fine hair like I do. It just adds so much oomph to your roots. It's crazy. 2 more products. So this is the Kerastase 8-hour night serum. I put this in my hair every night, just basically from here down. By the way, I get questions of how often. I cut my hair every 3 months. So, I don't know. Just wanted to answer that. So, and then this is the Colleen Rothschild hair serum that I just kind of put in towards the end after I curl my hair. Oh, hairbrush. So I got a new hairbrush and I think I might do like a video on it, whether this is worth it, because this was roughly around $275. It's a freaking expensive hairbrush. I got it for Christmas. It's Mason Pearson. And the one I have is specifically, it's the Pure Bristle. It's made for fine and thin hair. I will have to do a first impressions video, or not first impressions, but I've been using it for a while. I'll do like a video whether it's worth the money. So stay tuned on the hairbrush video. But let's go ahead and get started. I have like a really weird crown. It kind of has like a little hollow area. So I basically take this section of my hair all the way to the back and I hold off. So I'm gonna curl it just a little different. And it doesn't have to be totally even. I did have a scrunchie that has since fallen. Okay, excuse me. Okay. Take a scrunchie, and I'm just gonna put this up for now, this little piece. Okay, and that'll just be there. And then I'm gonna split my hair in 2s. So I take the piece like that goes directly behind my ear. Like this. I'm gonna take my wand and I'm gonna curl away from my face. I'm gonna hold it for about 10 seconds. And then once I release, I'm gonna just let it sit in my hand so it cools as a curl, and then I'll let it down. And it looks very curly. Oops, sorry. It looks very curly right now. I might just tug at it. We're gonna brush this out, so don't be too worried if it's tight. And then we're gonna go in, I'm also gonna curl the second piece away from my face. I've shared this in previous videos, but I always leave about an inch and a half on the bottom. I don't curl that bit. It just makes it look a little more natural when you do it that way. Okay, amazing. And now I'm gonna take this chunk and I'm now gonna curl towards my face. Okay, and just so you can see how they're curling like this, super tight. I'm gonna go away on this piece. I usually, on each side, I do 2 curling towards my face and the rest going away, which is typically around 3 or 4. I'm gonna take this last chunk on the side and I'm just gonna go ahead and go away from my face. And we're gonna release, hold, and let go. That curls this side. I have a little more on this side to do. Same thing, take the chunk behind the ear, and then the first piece always I curl away from my face. And I angle, as you can see, I angle the curling wand down and release. This is piece number 3, and this is the piece that I'm going to start curling towards my face. This last piece I'm going to curl towards my face. That took me no time at all. It's crazy how fast you get at things when you just like practice and you're doing it all the time. But we're gonna leave them to cool. We're not gonna brush them out yet. We're gonna take care of this scrunchy location one. Sorry, my nose keeps running. I'm gonna take the curls that I did and I'm gonna put those in a scrunchie. Not too tight. Now, with this, I'm gonna grab a piece to curl that looks like this. I can't see anything, can I? I'm gonna curl my hair. You know how usually we're like this going down? This time it's like literally just horizontal. We're gonna curl it this way. And then we'll release, and then I'll let it loose, okay? So this seems weird, but doing it this way, it just kind of adds that like little oomph and that volume instead of flat going down. And I always love doing it right down here because that's where I want the volume and that's where my hair I feel like is the weirdest. But we're gonna do the same thing. And this time, the only difference is I'm gonna go like towards. So I kind of alternate the direction. Now for this piece, I do like to part my hair. This is the front piece. So I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of let it naturally part. So it goes this way. As you can see, there's 2 pieces. And now for this, I'm going to curl it the same way. Loose. Amazing. It's actually a little bigger than I would like. So I'm gonna split this into 2. I'm gonna go towards my face. And I'm gonna keep it as horizontal as I can. I don't hold the front pieces as much as I do the back pieces. And then this one I'm gonna go away. I can see things now. For the longest time I had hair in my face. So that's basically the biggest difference that I've done with my hair is just kind of take this and on the back I will hold the curling iron literally horizontal and then I'll release. And then the next piece, I'll move it the other direction so I'll go forward versus away from my face. Now I'm gonna flip over my hair, shake things up a bit. I still haven't brushed through it, you guys. You can really see the curls. Once you brush through it, it'll loosen up a bit. I feel like my hair's cool now, so I'm gonna just run my fingers through my curls. Ever so lightly. Like I'm not gonna fully brush it out, I'm just gonna run it just lightly, and then we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You totally don't have to do this step if you want super tight curls. Honestly, like you don't have to do it. I just like it a little more loose and brushed out. And then let's do products. So my all-time favorite, Kerastase, this is their VIP Volume and Powder. I spray this into the roots a little bit. And then I'll spray it kind of like a texturizing spray, just up your curls. I'll scrunch my hair to the other side. So a product that I cannot live without is Living Proof Dry Volume Blast. This adds so much volume. You just spray at the roots, shake it up a bit, And you are pretty much done. I'm gonna add the Colleen Rothschild's hair serum to the bottom of it to give it that shine. Okay, and there you have it. This is pretty much how I've been curling my hair, I would say the last 2 months pretty regularly. The T3 curling wand. Personally, I would say it's worth it, and I've been using it for a while. I have not found a curling wand that works this good. I actually am gonna try it's called the Twirl wand, and it has a little bit of a clamp. So I'm actually gonna try that and let you know what I think, but right now this wand is my favorite. It's the 1-inch barrel, and it works so well for my hair, and I haven't heard anyone complain or say anything negative about it. So if you're wondering if it's worth it, personally I would say yes. But this is the final look. Over the next couple of hours, it's going to, of course, loosen up a bit more. I have thin hair, so I try not to loosen up right away because then it flattens out. But that, my updated hair routine with the products. I'll link everything for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it somewhat helpful. And happy Saturday. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Bye, we'll chat soon.